Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you need to delete your Craigslist account, here's a quick guide. To delete your Craigslist account, first log into your Craigslist account and go to the account section. Click on Setting. There, you will see Deactivate your account. Now click on Deactivate your account. This is one way, and the next way is replace all your personal information with random characters. This step is important to ensure your details are not stored. Otherwise, you can also contact Craigslist customer service and request them to delete your account permanently. And that's it. Follow these steps and your Craigslist account will be deleted. Smash that like, share and subscribe button for more informative content. Thanks for watching.